Did you know that during Jesus' entire ministry, God the Father's actual voice was only heard 3 times? In a world where divine communication was usually silent, these moments were extraordinary. The first time was at Jesus' baptism when heaven opened and God declared, "This is my beloved Son," publicly announcing Jesus' identity as his ministry began. The second was during the Transfiguration, when God spoke to Peter, James, and John saying, "This is my Son, listen to him," confirming Jesus' divine nature to his closest disciples at a crucial moment. The third and final time came near the end, when Jesus prayed about his approaching death. God responded, "I have glorified my name and will glorify it again." But the crowd thought it was just thunder, missing this supernatural moment entirely. Each voice from heaven came at a turning point, the beginning, middle, and end of Jesus' mission. God chose these specific moments to break his silence and authenticate his Son's identity when it mattered most. Comment your views and share this with someone you love.